Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Delta RT-40 table saw. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machinery you'd like to sell, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and checked. This is a Delta RT-40 table saw made by Invicta for Delta. I really like these saws, and here's one reason why. First of all, this machine has a 16-inch blade capacity. With a 16-inch blade capacity, this machine is going to have a 5.5-inch depth capacity. For instance, on an 18-inch Tanowitz, you're only going to get 4.5 inches because the motor actually hits the top of the table. On this particular model, with a smaller blade, a 16, you're going to get 5.5. It has a really nice large cast top. It's really well machined. That's what they're known for, is these extra large oversized cast tops. And right here, this is actually a fence support plate. We did replace all the handles. The handles that come with these machines are usually not that great. We replaced them with a really quality handle. I mean, these are actually metal, very hard to break. Does have a miter gauge, of course, the original one to it. We also came in and replaced the bearings in this particular machine. So it does have SKF bearings in there, a brand new set. We also replaced the belts. What's nice is while we had that whole assembly torn apart, everything in there was obviously repolished. So it's always a benefit of changing the bearings is that we're able to come in and clean it really nicely when we tear it down. Really nice clean saw. The motor on this machine is a 7.5 horsepower. And it is also dual speed as well. You do have to flip the belts to get that dual speed. So if you look in here, you actually have to come in, your belts are right up towards here. You'd actually have to flip them off and flip them to the other side of the pulley. However, this machine is capable of 3,000 or 4,500 RPM. So that's a really bonus too, depending on what you're running, is that you can run 2 speeds and you get a really big depth of cut. It does raise and tilt really nicely. As you can see, I can run it pretty fast, and again, I'm holding a camera, so it's kind of difficult to always do this while holding a camera with one hand. And it raises and lowers really nicely as well. We're going to start it real fast. As you would expect, it has brand new bearings, so it's a really quiet running machine. We also did replace the scale as well, so it's a really nice, clean, legible scale. It's going to take you to 52 inches. Again, if you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.